Did you know Spawn made a deal with the devil just to see his wife again, and the devil actually kept his word? Al Simmons was a government assassin, good at his job, too good. When his own people had him killed, he made a deal with a demon lord named Malebolgia. Come back to Earth, see Wanda again. Simple. Except Al came back 5 years late, burned down to almost nothing, with a face like melted leather and memories that weren't quite right. Wanda had moved on. She married Terry Fitzgerald, Al's best friend, and she had a daughter named Cyan, a child Al never got to meet. Malebolgia never lied. He just delivered exactly what he promised in the worst possible way. So now Spawn has powers that can shake cities, necroplasm, a living suit, near limitless energy, and none of it can give him back the one thing he actually wanted. That's the real story, not the power, the grief. Every fight, every deal, every dark choice he makes is just a man refusing to let go. These are nerd lore stories. Please give us a follow for the next character. Thank you for listening.